Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Mitsubishi 4X4 camper van, a rugged, go-anywhere vehicle built for adventurers who want the freedom of the open road without compromising on comfort or capability. Whether you're a weekend explorer or planning a full-time van life journey, this new release from Mitsubishi might just be your perfect mobile home. From the outside, the 2026 Mitsubishi camper van has a bold and functional design. With a high ground clearance, chunky off-road tires, and a reinforced skid plate, it's clear this van is built to handle rough terrain. The matte finish paint options and integrated roof rack add to its adventurous look, while LED lighting all around ensures visibility and safety, even in remote areas. The sliding side door and rear access make it easy to load gear, and the modular roof platform is ready for solar panels or storage boxes. Inside, the van keeps things compact but smartly organized. You'll find a well-designed kitchenette with a sink, fridge, and induction cooktop, fold-out sleeping arrangements, and clever storage throughout. The materials feel durable and easy to clean, perfect for off-grid use. A built-in touchscreen manages climate, lighting, and battery usage, giving a modern, connected feel. Under the hood, the 2026 model is powered by a turbocharged 2.4L diesel engine paired with Mitsubishi's latest Super Select 4WD system. It delivers solid torque for steep climbs and tough trails, and comes with a new adaptive suspension that adjusts automatically based on terrain. Whether you're navigating mountain passes or cruising on the highway, the van offers a stable, confident ride. It also includes hill descent control and a locking rear differential for serious off-road conditions. Safety hasn't been overlooked. Mitsubishi packed this van with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. There's also forward collision mitigation with pedestrian detection, making it just as safe on city streets as it is in the wild. What really sets the 2026 Mitsubishi 4X4 camper van apart is its blend of utility and self-sufficiency. With a solar-ready electrical system, onboard water tanks, and optional satellite internet, it's designed for extended stays off the grid. Add in its customizable interior layout and robust 4x4 capability, and you've got one of the most versatile camper vans on the market today. As for the price, the base model starts around $78,000, with fully equipped versions pushing past $95,000 depending on the options you choose. Considering its off-road prowess and built-in living features, it offers solid value for serious travelers. To wrap up, the 2026 Mitsubishi 4X4 camper van is a compelling choice for anyone looking to explore the world without leaving home behind. With its tough build, practical interior, and advanced features, it's ready for just about any adventure you can throw at it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews just like this one.